everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2024 Grady-White 257 Fisherman. This is a twin engine model. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So on the back of the boat, we optioned it with the twin 200s. Those are the Grady-White white, new option from Yamaha. We're getting those on pretty much all of our Grady's these days. Got a fish box right here, nice little live well over there, and freshwater wash down right there. If you need a raw water wash down, we got it hidden down here next to your battery switches. Inside the gunnels, you'll notice there's rod storage over there. In the leaning post, we have additional storage right here, more rod holders over there. One of my favorite features about this boat is you can use these rod holders under racks for tow catches when you're catching a big fish trying to reel it in. Of course, this is an 8-foot 6-inch beam, so plenty of room inside this cockpit. The helm area, we can equip it with whatever electronics that you want, but it comes with the Yamaha CL display. Up top, we have a nice little electronics box right there. And if you notice, we did option this boat with the outriggers. So easy to raise and lower those outriggers and extend them to where you want them to go. Lenco trim tabs, great option for this boat. Casting platform / cushion area. This is going to give you a huge amount of space to climb up here, cast your rod, do whatever you want to do out there on the water. Or if you're not fishing, if you're just taking out the kids and the family, enjoying your time out on the water, fill in that entire area with cushions so it's nice and comfortable while you're underway. Bow windlass up there. Got cup holders throughout the boat. Looks like right here we have the inserts for the bow shade. So there's a bow shade that comes with this boat as well. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. You can reach me at 936-223-6770. Again, Billy with MarineMax on the 257 Grady-White. Thank y'all.